Hey everyone, welcome to Shop Talk. We're looking at that Stihl MS084 chainsaw, a very big, powerful chainsaw. And we'll look at some of the features it has. Master control right here, off, on, high idle choke. An override for the oiler. It's not a pump. It actually overrides and gives you more oil. It's got the real nice max flow on it, gives it more air. Decompression valve, working chain brake. Side load on the gas and oil reservoirs. That's a 36-inch 404 bar and chain. The bar is used. Chain is brand new. 2 falling spikes. It's a very nice German chainsaw.